Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install a fully packed Kali Linux operating system in your desktop. So now let's get started. In order to do this, first of all you need the ISO file of the Kali Linux operating system. Second, you need Oracle Virtual Machine. So in order to download this, you need to go to your browser and from this website you can download Kali Linux. I have downloaded Kali Linux 64-bit operating system. You can either download it through torrents or direct download. Another is a virtual machine, that is VirtualBox. You can download it from this website. You should download Windows Host if you are, and Windows Desktop. You can, if you use other operating systems, you can select other. I have given both the links in the description. Okay, now let us start the installation process. Before you install, you need to allot a proper place for the machine to install. For this, you at least need about 20 GB of storage space. You can do it by simply creating partition in the hard disk. To do this, you have to right click on Start menu and select Disk Management. Once it opens, here you need to select the disk you have to part. I will go with this new volume D. You have to right click and click on shrink volume. So it will ask to enter the amount of space to shrink in MBs. So we need 20 GBs, therefore we have to click to 20,000 MBs. So you have to click shrink. But now I am not going to shrink as I have already created a partition. Okay, now we are ready to install. Open Oracle Virtual Machine. Here you need to click on New. A menu pops up that is Create Virtual Machine. You need to name your operating system, that is Kali Linux. Okay, now we have to select the machine folder, that is the folder where you have to install your Kali Linux operating system. So select the volume that you have partitioned, that is click others. I have made a partition, that is new volume G. So select folder. Now we are using Linux type of operating system, so version. Here you can see there is no name of Kali Linux. You know, Kali Linux use Debian operating system. If you are of 32 bits, click 32. I am for 64 bits, so I am clicking on Debian 64 bit. Okay, now click next. You need to select the amount of memory. Okay, you should need at least 1024 MBs. I will allow it full memory. Next. Okay, in hard disk you should click on create a virtual hard drive now. Press create. That is, you should click the first option, that is VDI, VirtualBox disk image. Next. Here you should click on dynamically allotted, that is default selected. Next. Okay, as I told, you need at least 20 GBs, so you should click on 20 GB and create. Okay, before you start the machine, you need to click on settings, go to system, in processors you should select 4 CPUs, display, and you should keep the maximum settings. Storage, here you need to go to this empty and click on this DVD icon and choose this virtual drive. So here you need to choose the file where you have downloaded the Kali Linux operating system. Once you have selected, press open and click exit it. Now you can start it. The machine is slowly starting. Here you need to again select this Kali Linux operating system. It is 3.24 GB. Start. Okay, virtual machine 6.0. Here you need to select the graphic install or the graphical install. In the installation process is started. Okay, ignore this. Here you need to select the language. I am using English, so English. Your location. I am Indian, so I will choose India. It is configure the keyboard. You should select the type of keyboard you are using. I am using American English keyboard, so click continue. Now it is detecting the hard drive and the process is so slowly continuing. Let's wait till it get properly installed. Okay, now you have to select this host name. It is default Kali, so leave it. No need to enter this domain name. We'll continue again. Okay, now you should put a password for root. You can choose any password. So okay, you should re-enter it. Then click continue. Okay, here it is partitioning method. Leave it as default, that is guided, use entire disk, continue. Okay, this is the one we have made a partition. Click continue. Let it be a default, then click continue. Okay, now finish partitioning and write change to disk, continue, and write change to disk, yes, continue. Okay, now the installing process is slowly starting. Leave till it installs completely. I'm going to skip this process now. Now the installation has ended. It is asking to use a network mirror. Let it be default yes, then continue. Leave this blank. It is scanning for mirror. Let's wait for a while till it completes. Okay, now it is installing the grub bootloader. It may take about 3.5 to 4 minutes, so we should again wait. Okay, the installation process is now ended. Let's power up our virtual machine. Let's click start. Okay, Oracle virtual machine, click enter. It may take some few seconds to boot our machine, so let's wait for some time. Okay, now let's type our username, that is root, password, this login into our root account. Here we are guys in the fully loaded Kali Linux operating system. By using VirtualBox, you can add any operating system, that may be Windows, Mac OS, Linux, or Android based operating systems. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button and share with your friends, families. Thank you.